AI is dramatically underhyped and wildly misunderstood. So if we wanted to, we could talk about it all day. I started working with AI in 1983 when I took a PhD level course at Stanford with 𝘳𝘦𝘱𝘭𝘢, who was one of the pioneers of machine learning. Just like the internet, when it first showed up, what many people at existing companies said is, well, it's just like the old days, except email's a little faster than regular mail. But it doesn't work that way. And it doesn't work that way because of scale and because of speed and because of price. And what is going to happen is AI, as seen in GPT-3 and then GPT-4, which is going to blow people away, is always going to be with us. And that is why it's going to change everything. Not because someone in some office is going to use it to solve some interesting problem, but because it's going to be persistent. The same way we went from using our phones 4 minutes a day to 4 hours a day. And when you have that thing in your ear, it's going to change everything.